Right now, your room could be very close to extraordinary. Maybe you realize this. Extraordinary in how it compares to the unremarkable rooms we see so often. When aiming for change, most people try better furniture, moving things around, maybe new art, but the room still feels unimpressive. There's no presence, no gravity. The secret, it's not the furniture, it's the lack of contrast. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be a subscriber. Remember that if you would like our help in designing your room, you can have that help by clicking the link in the description below. The one design move that instantly transforms a man's room isn't the addition of more things, it's the addition of definition. Contrast is what gives a room presence. But what is presence? It's rarely defined, often only understood through ambiguity. Vague because of how we experience it, and that's through feeling. Merriam-Webster's dictionary defines the characteristic as having a stately or distinguished bearing, a noteworthy quality of poise and effectiveness, which I think is a good definition. Presence in design is the immediate sense of weight, character, and awareness in a room. It's synesthetic, like seeing the warmth of a sunrise, like good posture or a well-timed pause in conversation. It delivers an aura of composure and appreciable selectivity. Men's rooms often fail because of everything being one tone. Beige on beige, gray on gray, wood furniture that melts into the floor. By introducing a deeper tone or material, everything sharpens. Contrast is the fastest, most reliable way to help build presence. You can begin to accomplish this in one act, darkening a major surface and anchoring it with rich texture. Edges become defined, dimension is apparent, and a sense of maturity is reached. This move thrives in areas like living rooms and studies, where depth and warmth carry huge impact. But how can you tell if your room needs this? Try standing at the entry of your room, take out your phone, snap a photo. Does the photo look washed out, like everything is merging? Can you identify, undisputably, where the anchor of the room is? If your answer is yes to the former or no to the latter, your room is a candidate. One bold, darker element that commands the eye and balances the space should do it some good. If you choose, here are 3 ways that you can get started today. The first is the charcoal study wall. If your office already has built-in shelving, focus your attention there. If you don't, choose the wall that sits behind your desk, then add shelving. Paint this area a matte charcoal color, then line the shelving with wood. Fill the shelving with leather-bound books and bronze accents. In that simple 3-part act, you have created gravity with the dark backdrop, added relief through the lighter objects in front, and framed the desk area so that it's a focal point. The second is the leather anchor. Great for a living room, a lounge, or a den. Most people begin with light or neutral walls. With this technique, you can keep them that way. Introduce a large, dark leather sectional or club chair as the main weight of the room. Pair it with a wool or jute rug, solid wood coffee table, and aged brass lighting. You have just quickly created visual authority. The darker anchor is your seat of tactile command, enhanced by the surrounding lightness. The third is the espresso ceiling or wall paneling. This works well in bedrooms, studies, and libraries. If you choose the ceiling route, install real or faux ceiling beams. Stain those in an espresso oak. If you go with wall paneling, you can find those pre-made in smoked walnut. Use linen drapery on your windows, wool throws layered over the bed or seating, and stone finish accent items, sculptures, lights, vases, bookends. If you have a fireplace, a stone mantle or surround. Presence now exists. The dark wood acts as an architectural weight, overhead, or in a cocoon-like way. Presence lives through definition, which lives through contrast. Dark against light, smooth against texture, mass against openness. It's what gives a room its rhythm and a man his composure within it. Shaping your space through depth and balance inevitably shapes you back. The room becomes quieter, more deliberate, and so do you. Remember that your environment is a mirror. It doesn't care how you present yourself, but it will reflect how you present yourself. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you feel like sticking around a while, feel free to subscribe. See you on the next one.